in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors on your Lenovo laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if your monitor came with any installation media, whether it's on the manufacturer's website or it came with a USB flash drive or DVD, I'd recommend just installing that on your device and walking through those on-screen instructions. That's usually the best way to ensure compatibility. Something else we can try too is just using the built-in Windows features. So if you select the Start button and search for Settings, best result, you go back with Settings here, open that up, and then select System on the left panel. On the right side, select Display, and then if you scroll down, select Multiple Displays, and then select the Detect button next to Detect Other Display. You can customize your display preferences here, and you can also select Advanced Display to customize even further some of your refresh rate settings or dynamic refresh rate if you choose. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.